Hey, what's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another video. We're going to be talking about Snapchat stock today and doing a price prediction and analysis for 2020. The stock is currently right below $20 with a market cap of $26 billion. Of course, this is one of the newer stocks out there that had a bit of a hype. It also was heavily criticized and had a bit of a harsh reaction when it first got publicly traded. It actually dropped quite a bit and ended up putting it an all-time low right around $5.87. So very big drop, and already basically a 4 times increase from that price now. So we are moving back in the right direction, back higher, and we're going to see if that can continue. But from what I'm seeing, it's looking like 2020 will be very bullish for Snapchat, and that the stock is looking like there's many bullish signals. So we're going to take a look at the chart and discuss that in more details in just a second. Don't forget to check out my stock price predictions playlist with all the other stocks that I've covered, like Apple, Tesla, and a whole bunch of other ones. Link to that in the description of this video, and let me know if there's other stocks you want me to cover as well. So heading over to the chart here, we're going to see that we do indeed have a bullish formation. And it's a formation that could seem very similar to the cup and handle formation, which I've talked about many times, which has a U shape to it, but it's actually a much more bullish formation that we have here. We actually have a V-shaped bounce and recovery, and that can be seen if we take our lows here, followed by taking the lows now on the uptrend, which creates a pretty much perfect V-shaped formation. And this is more bullish than the U-shaped cup and handle pattern, because this one usually takes a little bit more time to actually happen. We need to put in a lot of flattening and then go all the way back up to finally get a breakout. While here, it's more of a, we put in our drop and now we're ready to move higher in a pretty straight line. On top of that, the indicators are also following those bullish patterns, right? We've got a very nice uptrend on the RSI. It's right about to get back above that 70 line, which usually signals a breakout. And the MACD just got back above its orange line, so it's back into positive territory. Histogram went green, and it's been uptrending. It's been uptrending actually since quite long ago, and that actually forms a bullish divergence, which is when we're seeing a bullish trend line on the indicators, but we had a drop or we were flat on Snapchat stock. Now, Snapchat stock hasn't really stayed flat at all, but we did have a drop while the indicator was actually moving higher. So that is a bullish divergence right there. Now, as far as resistance ahead, because I don't see Snapchat going back to $10 or anything like that unless some kind of crazy disaster happens or the stock market drops significantly, Snapchat should really be one of the more bullish stocks in 2020. That's really going to outperform and potentially even put in new highs, which is a pretty big deal, right? That would mean getting back above $30. Right now, where is the resistance at? Well, we've already gotten past a pretty big one, which was right around $18. But right before that, we've got, right before the big next step here, we need to get back above $20. That's the really big level that's super important for Snapchat, is that $20 mark. Because once we get back above $20, we're going to be in a whole different ball game where I think we're going to see a very quick rise to, around $22, $23. And as soon as we get back above $25, then there's barely any resistance at all to get back to, we never actually hit $30. We were right below that at the all-time high, but just about, right? Just under $30. So any move above $30 will put in a new all-time high and cause a blue sky breakout, which means that there's no resistance ahead, so it could go up quite a bit from there. Then again, you have to keep in mind things like valuation, right? But Snapchat being a $50 billion company, that doesn't seem unreasonable. It might not happen overnight, but it's definitely something that's in the cards here, especially now that things are going better for Snapchat. And I mean, the proof is in the pudding with the chart here, right? We've got the V-shaped bounce. We're already recovering significantly from where we had dropped at the lows. And it's just a matter of, 2-3 more resistance levels, and I mean, we're out of here, right? So like I said, $20, that's going to be the first resistance. That's coming up soon. We may have to test it once or twice here, but by all means, I do think we're going to break out within the next 2, maybe 3 months at the very most, if that even. Then, next stop going to be $25. and $30. Where do I think we might reach in 2020 specifically? Based on this uptrend line right here, and kind of if I go ahead and take my brush tool, very vaguely estimate the amount of bounces that we might see here. As we attempt everything, it looks like we're going to be somewhere between $25 and $30 at the end of 2020. So that would be the price prediction. We could get above $30 if something big happens with the earnings or some type of news or anything like that. But if things stay a little bit more reasonable, we should still see a very nice increase to $25 plus. With that being said, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to check out my playlist full of stocks that I've covered, and let me know any that you do want me to cover in the future. Also, check out my technical analysis master course for less than $20. Comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and everything you need to know about technical analysis, including how to spot trends, buying and selling opportunities, how to read candlesticks, advanced trading indicators, everything you need to know. It's the ultimate guide. And also make sure to go and check out those great reviews that people have put up for the course. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.